или змея. Ген импакт. И мы снимаем яркие птицы в весеннем небе. Сказать, что-то главу, можно сказать так. Цвета жизни. Цвета жизни, короче. Да, цвета жизни. И проходим. Нам дадут за это 30 гемов и 4 счета. За это задание. Прошлый ролик был очень прикольный, 2 главы прям сразу он прошел и шел ролик в 30 минут. Навер и Кларинда.
No, it's not perhaps. That's just what mountain climbers do, right? After all the hard work it takes to make it to the top, as you stand on the summit... Exactly. I was afraid that it would cause a disturbance, so you see... Speak for yourself. When you're stressed, don't you ever just get the urge... Oh, that's... What I choose to hunt depends on my mood. Huh? Anyway... As long as Paimon has clothes on her back and food in her belly, Paimon doesn't think that... Oh, no need to be shy. Huh? Believe in your ears. Actually... Yes, we could just about make out someone yelling things like, "Help me!" And what do you know? Miss Farina was standing right there, all red in the face. She practically sprinted back down the mountain the minute she... that reminds me.
Фурина, значит.
So, you could... I figured we...
Ролик будет 20-30, не знаю, что. Если полностью пройти эту главу, и все, на этими главами.
Novelette is not the type to take. Didn't Charlotte publish an article on the Liyue? My situation is completely different. Hugh Fontaine. Oh, it's not for me. It was just us. Ridley gets. You could give him. If only. In any case, I'm pretty sure the tea you bought is this region's specialty. Yes, that's the one. You didn't. Please. Oh, that's right. Who tapped? A few days ago, we heard that a friend. Oh dear, we've been. We should. No need to stay on our account. We just got up. Go and meet your friend. Sounds good.
Деревня у подножия горы. Туда на деревню только. Цен вроде бы. Так, он с джунгли и Хотао похоже. Вот это деревня. Здесь дело не знаю.
It appears you have been to Fontaine, then. Given your proclivity to spread good deeds wherever you go, it's no surprise.
What I mean, although I built up, I stand before you right now as nothing more. There is definitely more to Mr. Shockley than given his breath. Is he just no? Yeah. Huh? Does that mean who? You may not have heard, friends, but Miss Farina is now one of my. Okay. Guess Paimon will have to break into the hidden stash at the bottom of her sheet. Huh? What's this about? Don't tell me. You two were placing. We just.
А вот и нет.
What was Paimon's guess? Paimon thought she was.
Даже немножко эта история.
Is that?
Wait, you didn't see?
Unfortunately, at the time, it appeared as if direct.
What a shame.
Is that so?
Ничего страшного.
Well, with the traveler around,
сам
that's
знаете.
right. He's got one. Well, that's certain.
Подшел просто
That's
разговор.
just tell him the pep. Even if he's really that much of a stickler for protocol, he can fill out a leave of absence request. Seems like this gentleman is also in charge of something pretty important. In my experience, it seems like your friend still has a lot of. If I remember correctly,
Oh, traveler.
Oh, it's Navia and Cloran. Hey, over here! We saw you all chatting over here, and we're wondering if we could join in. No apologies.
Компашка, конечно.
It's getting. If we want to catch a boat back.
Indeed. Then. When are you planning to head back?
I mean.
It's normal.
There are. Exactly. Just like in those ghosts. But if you take a closer look, there may be some. My tears and
Говоришь.
Of course.
By the way, did I hear you mention that Then you must have. Well, besides, I prefer.
I see. Well, you've.
Only the bed. Thank you so. It's fine. The next step, dim sum. They are a part. Oh, make sure to order. Ooh, okay. Wait, but didn't you guys? Of course I am. A kite, Chlorand. So all your.
And some tea. Chlorand. Well, one of us.
Hey, I'm hardly reckless with my more. Me? Oh well, I bought. Other than that, they should all be things I can use. If you bought that much stuff, where did it all? Oh,
Monsieur Neuvillette.
oh, wait.
Indeed.
Эти нагуляться. А что мне происходит, не понимаю. Вот, а более-менее нормально будет. Телепортируем, значит, сюда вот. И идем искать новое лето. Так вот, телепортировался я. И получаемся. Чё, это чё? Это что за задание? Не хочу. Надо дальше понять задание. Но только я это задание не хочу делать. Не могу. Мог бы скоро, да? И что будет бонусные хотя бы штучки эти. Слишком громко здесь играет музыка этого фонтанчика. Ну, ой.
It's you. It is few people.
You call this
Strictly, I am hot.
really?
First, I should. Second. I see. Thank you. Yes. Just as I was just past. All right. A verbal was. Yes, not. This quantity of. Much of that is. Oh. It was by 10 boxes. Ah, that explains it then. Well, go ahead and. You have my thanks. Oh, there's something else. This is a stone. Well, that is an apt. A legal code. Before the advent of. Oh. Since ancient. As a trip. During my travels, we joked with. Ah, so I did not expect. It is a. I suppose I should. A gift of this. Ah, shoot, just kidding. But we do. That sounds good.
So that's what you were doing in...
Indeed. The aftertaste is. If you want to experience the truth, then we are.
After all!
You're quite right. However, seeing as I was free of responsibility, refreshing. Take, for example, in the past, this is.
That's a ladle?
That was indeed one of my really. To tell around such an important. But I'm afraid. That is precisely why I would do. You are most welcome. Happy land. That sounds like it could easily lead to a vicious cycle. But my proclivity. Now I see that the human world is indeed.
Так. Все, что ли? Или нет еще? Это все задание? Да, серьезно? За 14 минут пошло. Да, в натуре, все сделал. Так. Сколько у меня штучек этих? 91 не хватает, слушайте. Не хватает, Ну, в принципе, все. Следующее задание было же нефритовое благословение. Вот снимать. И, в принципе, все. В общем, с вами был я, Геошин и Импакт. Мы прошли все главы морских фонарей. Всем пока.